Using ratios to solve sum and difference word problems. The ratio of ducks to chickens raised on a farm is 8 to 3. If there are 400 more ducks than there are chickens on the farm, how many chickens are there? For this section of word problems, we're going to be looking at questions similar to this one. We'll be given some sort of ratio, such as the ratio of ducks to chicken on this farm is 8 to 3, and then we'll be given either a difference or a sum of what these animals are, or what the units are. So I know that I have 400 more ducks than I have chickens. So in this case, I'm going to be looking for the difference between the two. Other examples, it might say if the total number of ducks and chickens is something, and here's the ratio, then find out the number of chickens. In this case, we're going to be solving a difference word problem. So what I'm going to start off with is my ratio. I have my ducks, which is 8, and I have my chickens, which is going to be 3. Now I can use this because it's a difference word problem. I can actually subtract and say, okay, well, what's the difference in units between these? 8 minus 3 is going to give me 5 units. I also know that the total number of difference in animals is 400, so I can do a simple division, 400 over 5, which is going to give me 80. That means each unit is 80 animals. For my new ratio, therefore, my ducks is going to be 8 times 80, which is 640. My chickens is going to be 3 times 80, which is 240. Now, there's going to be two ways that we can check to make sure that we're right. First, we have to make sure that these two, they actually say what the problem wants us to have. If there are 400 more ducks, let's do a simple subtraction, 640 minus 240, that does give us the 400, that checks out. And the ratio of 8 to 3 is equivalent to my new ratio of 640 to 240. Whenever doing these types of problems, you're going to want to check both of those to make sure that they check out. So the final answer to this word problem then, how many chickens are there? 240 chickens.